Acclaimed gospel artist and humanitarian Amy Rushes recently visited the Christian Post to talk about her dynamic ministry, which of late includes her Testify tour, her new album, and her inspired forthcoming book.
Hey everybody, God bless you. Well, I'm asked the question, what is the Testify Church Tour? And it's just that. We're going to churches all over the country, and we're doing Sunday morning church in different churches in little cities and big cities, and I'm so excited about it because my love is church. So Sunday morning church, it's awesome. It's just awesome. And that's what the Testify Church Tour is all about. And we had this idea because of my new record, Testify, which is dedicated to the Reverend Timothy Wright. He was the impetus for this new record, and out of it birthed a couple of videos. Out of it birthed this tour. I'm about to release a new book, my first book, again. It's just God, because if you knew me, you would know I'm not particularly articulate. I'm not a writer. I'm not any of those things, but God has just put this in my spirit to do. This book was started with an idea for a blog, to do a weekly blog on Facebook and on my website. And it was supposed to be, in the beginning, it was supposed to be a motivational piece. And I said, no, I don't want to do that. It needs to be, if I'm going to do it, it needs to be spiritually based. And so I developed Monday Manna. And every Monday, the readers can come into my page on my website, and they can get a spiritually based little blog that can kind of carry them through the week, things to think about, based on the Word of God. I was driving up to the park where I walk every day, and I was making that turn up that park and not thinking about anything. God said, turn Monday Manna into a book. Yes, Lord. And He gave me all the blogs to be able to finish the 52 weeks, because it's for the year, 52 weeks in a year, and it's called Monday Manna, Spiritual Nuggets to Start Your Week. And so out of obedience to His Word, I'm going forth with this, and I pray it will bless everybody, because it's simple, it's not real deep. You'll grasp it, you'll understand it, but more importantly, there's concepts in there that you can use.
Joining forces with friend, longtime collaborator, and sought-after producer Kurt Carr, Rushes endeavored to craft an album that would be a tribute to late pastor the Reverend Timothy Wright, who died as a result of a car crash in 2009. And
we got together and we went through some of Reverend Wright's songs, and Kurt said, I think Testify is the song. I said, really? You think Testify? Okay. So we decided on that song, and he arranged it like cuckoo, like ridiculous, like nothing you've ever heard. And we put out the single, and we created a whole album around that song.
Amy gives all praise to God, who has brought her through some of life's most difficult journeys, and still marvels at His capacity to love and take care of His people.